So I've decided to mod my Roland VGA-8000 with VGA-screen because when I bought my MV last week, the screen did not work. So I decided to use this VGA screen 10.1, €70 on Amazon. Very nice, very complete. It accepts VGA, HDMI, composite, USB. Very complete with cables and with the stand. So yeah, it was very nice to have done this. To me, very plug and play with this mount also. So deciding where to go, then removing the broken internal screen. Very easy job, just two screws and one cable to detach. And there's a metal plate on the MV, so you can place it directly on there, on this plate. Very good, really easy job. So because I was taking out, I had to do some internal stuff. I also decided to test the MSX compact flash adapter, which still was installed in my Roland A6, and yes, it also worked in the MV. So why not changing the disk drive for the CF card? So I decided to remove the floppy drive. Although it would be nice to try the floppy drive with the MC50, but hey, I prefer to have a compact flash card reader in the MV instead of having a USB 1.1 and the disk drive. So yeah, nice. Just deciding where to go, how to place it. Meanwhile, I also was thinking, well, I have it open. Why not do some cleaning? So I took out the CD-ROM drive and also the original hard disk. To take out this metal plate, which you see there, you have to screw open one side, then you can take it out. Also, it looks very difficult, but it's a very easy job. And then you already have the plate where the pads are located. This one is clean. Also, the contact card is clean, but the pads, yeah, as you can see, they're very dirty. This side not, but the other side, yes. Roger, very nice. Yes, this side. It's very dirty, 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 dirty. So I decided also to clean over here. I wash it and look at that. That's some clean. Those are some clean pads. Nice, nice. When it's open, guys. Open it and do it. Clean it. Some screws. Just take care of the cabling. That's very important, and make sure that you use the right screws to put them back on the same place. But as you can see, I can do it, so you can do it too. So over here I'm placing the CF card. I had some double tape and some foam, double sided foam also, double-sided tape. Well, anyhow, just a nice way to have it placed inside the MV. There's enough cable for the CF card, so you're good to go. Well, I decided to place the power adapter inside of the MV on the place where the hard drive was, and then to have it connected after the fuse. Not before the fuse, but after the fuse, just to prevent any problems with the electric system. I'm using some heat, what they're called, heat socks, shrink socks. Normally you do it with with a kind of dryer, which I don't have because I'm bald and I don't dry my hair. So I used fire, but just with a safe distance, and then you're good to go. Also, you can see over here, I'm connecting all the cables, also with tie wraps to make sure that there's nothing loose. Also here the heat socks, shrinking socks, wraps or whatever, to place them directly over the enchufe, over the power adapter. And I must admit, with those heat shrinking tubes, yeah, I feel very safe. I feel very safe that there's no leakage of electricity. And then using the I don't know what's it called in English, the heater. But it's a very nice job to do it like this. And I I I show you this part because I think it's a very important part to have it very safe and secure inside your MV, because yeah, you're playing with electricity, with loose cables. So make sure that the cables are really tight and really well secured without any leakage of any cable, but because you don't want to have problems with electricity inside your MV. So yes, normally you will use a dryer. This one I did with fire, not with a dryer. Then again, some double-sided tape to make sure that the power adapter is secured and well over there. Yes, and it works. So power on and it works. This is very important also. This is very important also because placing back the plate, you say you have the possibility to put 8 screws back. That's the reason why I put first the bottom plate, and then I saw where I had to screw those 4 small screws, which are, by the way, Allen screws. I don't know. In Spanish, it's Allen. It's not just the Phillips screws. So over here, I'm putting the VGA, connecting the mouse, because to make the VGA work, you have to connect PS2 mouse. Perhaps I'm thinking to do the modification also with your trackball, perhaps, and to have it connected next to the MV. But at this moment, the mouse works fine, works very good. If you change the mouse speed, you can use the small space you see over there where the mouse is. You can use that space already. It's enough. It's enough for the pointer to move from left to right, up and down. At this moment, I'm checking the hard drive, and the hard drive works. So now I've decided to place the LCD screen. Well, no, LCD. No, yeah, it's LCD VGA screen with a double-sided tape. So no screws at all at this moment. I can decide in on another moment to screw it on the plate, but no need to. Well, placing back some other slider knobs, which I still had. And yes, ready. Very easy job. I will take a picture now from the back, and then you can see how it looks like on the back. And guys, really, I like the mod a lot. It's really an upgrade for the MV-8000. And think about it. I bought this one for 200 euros. Now with the screen for 70 euros, 270 euros for a working MV. Still had the CF reader. Man, feels like coming home. So feel free to ask questions. And guys, it's an easy job. Thank you so much. Thank you. We see each other next time. Bye bye. Bye.